Good morning. I hope you are well. Today is the 4th of June, Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. So today is the final day of the workshop. Okay. Now I just ate breakfast and then we are going to go to the venue. I mean, like, I'm not going to swim in this swimming pool. It's cold, and also it would be awkward because there's no one else who's swimming here. And there's a restaurant just behind me. So I think this is more for decoration than for being in use, or people use it in summer. I don't even see the chairs. Unlike in Mabodo Palms, I will show you in Mabodo Palms how it looks like, which is the venue that the conference is at. You know, because there they have those beach chairs, if that is what it's called. Otherwise, yeah. Now we're going to go to the venue. Yeah, I thought as much. Take a look at this. So maybe they are going to take them back when it's summer. It's winter now, so no one is really using a swimming pool. And behind me is the conference room, and then these are their toilets in front of me here. Then that is the Mafikeng Mall. Let's hope I will go there today. Let's hope I will go there today. But I don't want to let's talk about Mafikeng. This place is small, you know. Mafikeng, you know, it's packed of history. Because even if you say in the rooms, there's pictures of Sol Plaatje. It's packed with history. But in terms of, I think it's more than what I expected, you know. I expected to see, I don't know what I expected, but I think Mafikeng is small. Yeah. Made it to the venue.
The local butchers so when you sit and funding from the point of MTTA, it actually says government has to be able to also stand the test of participating from the presentations that we heard yesterday, have done today. I am now moving.
That concludes our business in Mafikeng. You know, the time is 12:40. Our participants, they need to leave Mafikeng because not all of them stay here in Mafikeng, even though they are all based here in Northwest. So the program today was very short. You know, it was half day. And now we're going to go for lunch. But before that, I need to interview a few of them. You know, for the experience that they had here in this workshop. The station where you are based and also
in the Northwest province, we broadcast into.
Okay, I just finished doing the interview. Now we have to take this down because we are done here. Probably should have bought my tripod today. Okay, now we're going for lunch. Then we will leave this beautiful place. No, I want this. This is how the restaurant looks like, just a quick one. And then the most impressive part of the building. Most impressive. Take a look at this. We have a beach in Mafikeng. You see how big this is. And also we have those beach stools here, which means people can swim. And then this is it. Gonna be seated right there for lunch. That is where they are serving. That doesn't look clean inside. Still looks cool though. So now let me go and dish up, eat some food, and then we're ready to leave this beautiful place. But we're not leaving Mafikeng yet. We're leaving tomorrow. It's just that we're leaving this venue because for conference and also for the program, it was here in Mabatu, right? And then we are the accommodation is in Protea Hotel, so that is where we're staying. You know, I like this place here. Hmm? Now we live. I don't like that. Waiting for one colleague and then yeah, he will find us. Let's buy.
Hold this cold. Lana band. Oh, they sell meat products, pork, strictly pork.
Few hours later, now it's dinner time.
That's bad. That's bad. Imagine that if I yes, you.
Boom! Few hours later, why is my screen like this? Few hours later, I'm in my room. So this is my last night here. Tomorrow we're going back to Johannesburg, you know. So that was it for this day. That was it for this day. Now I still need to go to my friends, or yeah, my friends were also interns, and then we just catch up, you know, just catch up as guys. So that was it. Today was the final day of the program. It was very engaging and informative, and I had an opportunity to do 3 interviews after this, you know, which we are going to use as the organization, you know, and stuff like that. So my career is growing a little bit, you know, which is interesting. But I'm quite afraid, you know, because October is here. October is around the corner. Now it's June, July, August, September, October. October is around the corner, you know. I need to know by then what is it that I will be doing with my life. I hope something solid will be presented, and I'm working towards something solid. So that is it. I'm going to take advantage of this tonight. Yeah. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow when we're going to Joburg.